Many years ago, all the places that you can see, the squares, doesn't exist actually. In here we have houses, in all these places we have a lot of houses, and a governor, González Gallo, he decides to do a cross to squares because he wants to, in the sky you can see it, all the cross. Yeah.
So from the top, from the air,
you can
like
see it. Yeah. This is the square of Guadalajara. We call it Plaza Guadalajara, and this have another name that is Plaza de los Laureles. And the meaning of this fountain is, we call it La Perla, the pearl, La Perla Mexicana. And here we have all the office to right here, Guadalajara. Not for the state, only for Guadalajara. The president is in this part. Actually, the office of the president is right here, but we can visit this part. Yeah, we only see a little part of this building. And the most important or incredible thing, that's what made in 1962 for a palace like that. The architect, wanted to show how the old houses to the Spanish look like that. This mural was made for Gabriel Flores. It's a representation how looks the Spanish people come here. The first one that you can see is all the native people in the brown. The brown color is the native people, and the red color is all the Spanish people, the weapons and all this. And the last one is a festival that the Spanish people doing, and only the Spanish people can go. All the poor people, all the slaves stay working. The first stone that they put it was in 61. We have an earthquake. When they finish all the construction, the towers fell down.
Oh my God.
So they need to put new ones, and they put it this one.
These are the newer towers.
Yeah, and this looks like a neo-Gothic one. You want to go inside?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. All these places will see them, but after a war, they need to change it. Actually, for a time, they need to cut the nails because they start to grow up and grow up and grow up. They wanted to represent all Guadalajara. Is the reason that they do a big church, like a symbol to Guadalajara.
We're at the Mercado, the Corona.
Corona.
Okay.
They put it in this place for all the people that wanna sell the vegetables, fruits, and some seeds and different stuff. Actually, we have a legend that in the third floor you can find some witches. Because we have witches.
We were in here earlier.
Yeah?
I saw the witches.
Yeah,
the
and
tarot cards and stuff.
Oh,
yeah.
it's so terrific, actually.
Okay, let's get a little closer.
Yeah. When they opened it in 1888, was they started the construction, and they gained fire.
I heard recently, right? Like 15 years ago or something. Was
Yeah,
fire
in 2014. But before that, this happened again like 3 times. In 1910, 1919, 1921. The reason why they moved in and they changed all the structure of this place, because these two that you can see here, this is the real ones that exists before in 2013 and all these years. They look like the old ones because this marketplace was so beautiful.
Yeah.
Because looks like a big house, so big. And they have three floors. Yeah, you can see it right here. The first one is for food. The second one is for food and some clothes and different stuff. And the third one is for the witches.
For the witches.
Yeah, you can find whatever you want here. This call it Plaza de Armas. And you can see this kiosk. This Regnus Porfirio Diaz, he was a government that he loved so much French. So he sent to building this kiosk and bringing us to this place. In all these posts, you can see a different women, and this meaning all the music. But all the Mexican people, because they are so religious, they come to 5 a.m. to cover the chest
wow.
for no one see it. We can't enter to this place because they don't let us. This is the government palace, and many years ago the governor lived here. Now it's only office. And the other name is Liberación, the freedom.
Yeah, because the slaves were freed here.
Miguel Hidalgo Costilla in 1810. We don't know how looks Miguel Hidalgo Costilla. We don't have a photo, a real a painting. No, we don't have it. This theater was made for a governor called González Degollado. But he died, and they put it the name of him. You can see in this part white, Apollo in the nine muses. That is all the art. Guadalajara was founded 4 times. One time in the state of Zacatecas, in a place called Nochistlán. And after that, they come to La Barranca de Huentitán, que es todo Tlacotán. Here is Beatriz Hernández. And this is the square of foundation. This was the first church that we have here in Guadalajara.
You can tell that's old.
Yeah, it's so old. You can see all the characters that started the foundation of Guadalajara. You can see a Native people, you can see a Beatriz Hernández, Nuño de Guzmán. And it's a representative to Mexico, to Guadalajara. All this is Plaza Tapatía, Square Tapatía. Here was houses, but the government wanted to change it and do it a square. This is the other fontaine.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
So cool.
Yeah, I didn't even know that they have this train.
Real quick, the name of this market is Mercado Libertad, San Juan de Dios. Restaurants, clothes, anything you can think of, they sell there. Yeah, I'll show you once we're in there. Let's go, we're almost there. The overall crazy place. I'm glad we came here. So it's so big that it comes outside. So the market stretches outside. Some more outside here.